Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to use the Samsung Find app on the device. Now, if you are new to Samsung and you just want to use the Samsung Find app on a device, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. So Samsung Find is an app which is similar to Find My iPhone and on your iPhone. So it is similar by finding a friend's location or finding your lost device, and also they help you to share the location with your friends or the family or the person who you trust. So you just need to open the Samsung Find on a device. So if you click on the option people, here you'll see the people who have shared your location with or who you are sharing your location with. Currently I have not shared my location with anyone, so there is no one over here. So if you click on the device like option, and here you'll be able to see the device which is connected right now. So this is the device where it is connected right now, and also you'll be able to see your friends or the family's device who have shared your location with it. So if you click on the items, you'll be able to see the Samsung Galaxy Buds, watch, and all of it if you go on the option of items. But if you want to add people, you just need to click on the option of plus like this, and you just need to select the person who you want to add and make sure that they are using the Android phone. So if they are using iPhone and you want to be able to share with them. So if you click on the option of device, you just need to click on the option of manage device, and you'll be able to add another device. So if you click on the items, if you click on the option of items, you just need to click on the option of plus, and you just need to select the items which you want to add on in Samsung Find. So that's it. That's how you can use the Samsung Find app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.